You're listening to NOAA's All Hazards Radio, station KWO35 in New York City. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KWO35 broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The current time is 9:25. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Bronx County in southern New York, Kings County in southern New York, New York County in southern New York, Queens County in southern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York, Suffolk County in southern New York, until 10:25 a.m. At 9:20 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Eastchester, Edgewater, Yonkers, New Rochelle, New York City, Coney Island, and Bronxville. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Bronx County in southern New York, Kings County in southern New York, New York County in southern New York, Queens County